Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest work from home jobs. Let us discuss one by one in detail. Firstly, there are various job openings are available from Pix Dynamics. They are looking for the following job positions like Python developer, development and operations engineer, React developer, and business development executive. These are the positions available from Pix Dynamics. For these positions, fresher candidates can apply, and the candidate should have graduation from IT background, and experienced candidates can also apply. And interested candidates, if you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Moving to the next one, there is a job opening for business development executive position in a SaaS company like Booking.Zemy, and for this position you must have sales oriented, target focused, client engagement, IT sales and software sales, and in these fields you should have skills, and you should be from hospitality industry, and you are going to get a salary up to 30,000 per month. Interested candidates, if you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Moving to the next one, there are job openings are available from Hike Branding. They are looking for the WordPress and PHP developer, and for these positions you must have 1 to 5 years of experience should required, and this position is available for work from home and office also available. Interested candidates, if you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Moving to the next one, there is a job opening for corporate HR position for the talent acquisition, and it is from Enterprise Solutions. For this position, the person has to be from US staffing background only, and the timings will be 2 p.m. to 11 p.m. and there will be 5 days working, and there will be excellent salary and incentives. Interested candidates, if you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Moving to the next one, there is a job opening for IT recruiter position. It is from Regal Networks. Interested candidates, if you are eligible for this position, you please check once all the skills required, and you must have 6 months to 3 years of experience. Interested candidates, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Moving to the next one, there is a job opening for experienced HR position for their year staffing process, and it is from Stratism Incorporated. For this position, you must have 4 years plus experience in year staffing, and the salary will be noble for the right candidate. Interested candidates, if you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail IDs.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.